Bishop Isaac Idahosa to unveil him, and I believe it's an opportunity for me on behalf of members of our ESCO, the leadership of the NLPP across the country, especially our respected chairman of the Board of Trustees, who I believe is on his way to this, and gentlemen and members of the press, and through you, 2023, by the grace of God, my humble self and him will be elected. Very much, and God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.
AVM retired John Efemeje, the National Secretary, Honorable Dikbo Olayoku, members of the National Working Committee and National Executive Council, members of our great party, distinguished invited guests, members of the press, members of the Hollywood and the Actors Guild of Nigeria present, ladies and gentlemen, clergies here present. Today is indeed a very historic day. Words will certainly not be enough to express how I feel. But being driven and guided by the good Lord, I begin by praising him and thanking him for our leader, His Excellency Kwankwaso, for our great party, the NNPP. And for today and all the promises and hopes that the day holds for our dear country, Nigeria. On behalf of myself and my entire family, I humbly accept the nomination as the vice presidential candidate of His Excellency Engineer Dr. Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso under the umbrella of our great party, the NNPP. At this critical junction of our nation's history, our country deserves a fresh start, and Nigerians deserve a fresh new idea, a fresh deal that will steer away the country from division and hate, a fresh deal that will steer away the country from incompetence and cluelessness, a fresh deal that will steer away the country from its insecurity and economic woes, a fresh deal that will create jobs and widen opportunities, a fresh deal that will allow every family to live a decent and affordable life. A fresh deal and a new deal that will empower Nigerian youths and women to be in the front line in leadership and governance. And it is we in the NNPP that are fully prepared and capable to offer this fresh new deal. It is obvious to every Nigerian at home and in the diaspora, we are at a critical moment as a nation, and our unity and tenacity as a people is being tested. However, the willpower of all Nigerians is most needed at this junction, so let us all come together and take back our destiny in our hands. Let us all come together and unite and save our country from the clutches of incompetence, hate mongers. Let us come together and work towards healing our country. We must endeavor to face the challenges of the moment and rise together, heal together, and work together to rebuild the Nigeria of our dream, where hard work thrives, where education is important, where the economy will grow, where productivity is inspiring, we shall build a nation that invests in her youth. We must pay good attention to new technologies. We must create the enabling environment for real industrialization of Nigeria. I call on all Nigerians, young and old, male and female, rich and poor, to pay special attention to the current state of the country and for the sake of generations to come, to participate in this very important civic duty. I encourage everyone to please go out and get your voter's card, if you have not done so, and make sure you talk to your family within and outside the country, friends and colleagues, on the need to vote when time comes. We are Nigerians from the north to the south, from the east to the west. Let us make this nation work for all of us and not for a selective few. I want to seize this opportunity to register my unalloyed loyalty and unequitable appreciation to my leader, the Madugu, the Jaguar of Nigerian politics, the next president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency, Engineer Dr. Senator Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso, PhD, and reassure him that together we shall do all it takes to put Nigeria back on the path of development and economic growth. I want to express my appreciation to the BOT, Board of Trustee Chairman, Dr. Boniface Aniguana, from whom I enjoyed growing recommendation during the selection process. I want to thank the VP Selection Committee under the chairmanship of our able elder, Engineer Buba Galadima, for their recommendations to the leader. My appreciation also goes to the national chairman and the entire members of the National Working Committee and the National Executive Committee of our great party, the NNPP. To the remaining 19 or so other candidates that were considered, I thank them all for their solidarity and support. I will not end this small speech without thanking the entire members and leadership of our party, from national to state to local government, down to the world level, for working very hard to make our party the force that is poised to take over power from the failed parties and failed leaders that have dragged our country into jeopardy. I'm aware that various other stakeholders were consulted during the selection process, including the National Movement, TNM, and the Kwankwaso movement, all of whom supported my nomination. To them all, I am grateful. I want to thank all our party candidates from across the country who are standing for different elective positions in the 2023 general elections, and to urge them to continue to work hard and mobilize Nigerians across the social ladder to come out en masse, get their PVC, and use same to sack bad leadership and incompetence from political landscape of Nigeria. Last but certainly not the least, I want to register my appreciation to my wife, Mrs. Christy Idahosa, children, Christabel and Apostle, and friends, indeed to the entire Christian and Muslim communities in Nigeria for their support and encouragement. This honor done to me by the NNPP is an honor done to the Christendom and to the entire Nigerians. I ask that we all join hands and make Nigeria proud again by making a new Nigeria possible. Thank you very much for your attention. Long live the NNPP. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Now, hear this. There is a song we sang yesterday in church, and it goes as thus: I see a new Nigeria. Can you lift your right hands up and say with me, I see a new Nigeria? God will use NNPP through the leadership of His Excellency to birth a new Nigeria. We believe God, and He will make it happen. I see a new Nigeria. I see a new Nigeria. I see a new Nigeria in the hands of the Lord. Thank you very much.